In order to fix battery charging being stuck at 80% on Redmi 15, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in these settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we want to go to battery. Over here in these settings, we want to choose battery protection, and you should be able to find charging protection section over here. And if the battery is stuck at 80% all the time, then most likely you have battery protection enabled or smart charging. Battery protection allows you to charge only to 80%, and then it can charge fully only when scheduled. But if you use smart charging, the system can learn how you charge your device and stop charging when battery level reaches 80% in applicable situations, and then of course it starts charging again when it can predict that you're about to unplug the charger. So if you want to make sure that you can actually charge to 100% all the time, then you can of course choose charge fully, although it is actually recommended to use at least smart charging in order to protect your battery. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.